Okay, this is milk. What's the first sound you hear in milk? Yeah. Good. Now, what's that one?
Ball.
Ball. What's the first sound you hear in ball?
Ball.
Oh, very good. Let's put it in the B cup.
This one. This one.
That one. Yeah, that's right. Now, the number 6. What's the first sound you hear? Oh, so clever. That's it.
We need to get all the same words.
Bird. What's the first
Bird.
sound you hear in bird?
Bird.
Oh, that's right. Goes in the B cup. Map.
Map.
What's the first sound you hear? Oh, so clever. There you go. What about bear? What's the first sound you hear? B for bear. Goes in the B cup. Sick. What's the first sound you hear? Oh, very good. Goes in the S cup. We're nearly there. Meat. What's the first sound you hear? Oh, that's right. And mop. Ah, very good. And the last one is, what's it?
Sad.
Sad. That's right. Where does it go? Thank you. Let's show.
Take them out.
Yeah, let's just show the cups to the camera. Okay. Thank you.